Welcome to this step-by-step guide for using First 5 content with the option of duplicating tabs. This video is to demonstrate how you can show multiple activities to students in a streamlined way, allowing for quick access without downloading images. This option works well when you want to switch between content easily. This method saves time, it's easier to navigate, and also avoids unwanted ads. So here's all you have to do. Open up the First 5 landing page where you have your option to choose between the different sections of the First 5. I'm going to open up the primary one for this situation. Find a piece of the First 5 you choose to use. I'm just going to click on the questions. Now notice when I click on the questions, there's a fully black background. It's opened in this tab up here. Now you do see an ad over here. If you close that ad, it should not pop up again. So right now in my browser, I have this section of the First 5 ready. The key to this strategy is they have multiple pieces of First 5 ready and open in different tabs. And it's a very simple job that you have to do just to do this. So you right click on this up here on your tab, you duplicate, and it will reopen that First 5 for the day. Find another section of the First 5 that you may be interested in using. Click on it. And once you click on it, you'll see again that it'll have a full black background. Now again, when you open a new one, you'll see an ad pop up here. Just go ahead and close it. And up here now, you'll see that you have two different sections of the First 5 ready to go. You can open up as many different tabs as you'd like to, just again, by hitting duplicate, finding another piece of the First 5 to use, clicking on it, and now you'll have 3 and so on. The one thing I will say is just go ahead and close the ad on each one, and it should not pop up again. So again, this whole strategy is about saving time. It's quick, easy navigation, so you have things ready to go, and it should help with the situation with the ads. We hope this is a really helpful strategy, and thank you for using the First 5.